So if there's a car in front of you, you can relax a bit. Now he's going. Look right, looks okay on the right, not on the left though. Okay, yep, so don't rush. It's all good. Yeah, straight over to the left. Beautifully executed. Okay, follow up, check in the mirror. If you can nail all of these things, you know, I can tell you that you can, you know, you've got a good chances of passing. Slow down, wait until the light changes. Okay, creep in the middle. Slowly. Okay, talk to me. Tell me when you should go. Of course you do. Of course you can. And mirror. Okay. So they should be going further in. Okay, you tell me what you think. Of course, he's miles away. Miles away. Look at him once more there. Okay. This set of traffic lights is by default a no green arrow. Make sure he clears enough. Okay, there's a car coming from the opposite. Wait.
Yes.
You can't see him, so you've got to be very, very careful here. Because the big one was covering the view. Go, of course. At the end of the street, we're turning right. We have a stop sign, so be very disciplined about stop signs. A few cars lining up from the left. So for now, obviously, you know, we won't be able to do anything before the white car clears. You can check around, you know, just relax, breathe, and when your turn comes, you then start to obviously make a plan. So get up to the line. Each car must stop completely.
Yes.
Let's stop there, a little bit further forward. Bring the line underneath the mirror. Go. Beautiful. Go in the middle slowly. Don't go too far. Further in a little bit. Okay. Okay, talk to me. You tell me when you believe you could go. Now we can go. Go, push. I was very, very indecisive. Check equally left and right. Get in the middle. Good. Now too late. Now too late. Wait for the white one. Go. Look left. All the way to the left. Because they were too far. And the mirror check. Okay. Okay, so stop right there and make sure the Mercedes driver clears the intersection. Edge forward now. Edge forward. Go. That one's too far. Push. Oh yeah, he's stopping now. His light is changing. You understand that, do you? Relax. Okay, coming in. You've got to wait for him to clear. No opportunities so far. Okay. It looks like after them we can go left. Look left. And straight over to the far left. And the mirror. Turn right at the lights, indicate mirror up blind spot. Yeah, straight in there. See, you're jumping on the brake when you're changing lanes and there was no one in front of you. So you have to get rid of that habit, okay? But turning right, don't step on a white solid line, a bit too close. Further up, but don't angle your wheels, okay? Stay where you are and wait until they clear. So watch the lights as well. Indicator is fine, don't reapply because it's on. I see you're pushing the switch down again. Take it, of course. And look at them once more. Yeah? Okay, turn right at the T junction. Okay, so clearly no opportunity because we've got to wait until the red car clears first, and then you have to give way to everyone from the right and obviously from the left, okay? It's very simple. Take a deep breath. So don't stress here. Okay, creep slightly forward, check right, nobody on the right. What about the left? No one there, let's go. Okay, look left as you go in, go to the left. Why would you stop if there's no one? Mirror check immediately. Obviously everything's going to be different because it's never identical. So we check right and left from a distance. Okay. We could have gone in the middle. There was enough time. You have to assess equally left and right. Get in the middle now. Go. Look left, but don't stop. Continue, because you can beat those guys. Straight to the far left and mirror check.